What we have here is a fully restored in brand new condition Hummer H1. This thing is absolutely incredible. It's flawless. It's a full restoration that took a couple years, and it looks like a brand new military Hummer. Now, I don't know much about these and the options they have, but I can tell you this. This is probably the cleanest one you'll ever find in the world. I mean, the restoration was just done to the highest standards. It's incredible. Look at it. This wasn't a Hummer that was beat up too much on. In fact, it wasn't, allegedly, it wasn't even used much when it was operating in the military. Nonetheless, some of the cool options include an M16 holder. Can you imagine? And it's got all the original military computers and whatnot, obviously non-functional for security reasons, but they left everything intact here. Red dot AC. Go on the other side. M16. When you absolutely positively have to kill everybody in sight except no substitute. That is sick. Seriously, this is just bad fucking ass, big time. Jesus Christ. Imagine how long it takes someone to get to know this system to even drive it. Huh. So cool, so cool. Yeah, I've been doing cars a long time. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. So these are thicker doors. You see, they're meant for cold climates. They have them two style doors. These are called the winter soft doors. Radiators up there, fans. Underneath there's pretty much zero rust, as we're going to take a look. Ridiculous. Seriously. Look, there's still plastic here. I'm not even going to play with it. Immaculate. So there you have it. The body doesn't have a single scratch on it, by the way. There's no dings, no dents. It's literally flawless. So World War III should be coming up probably. We're gonna kick Iranians' asses, so you can set yourself with something, little security measure. And don't forget your M16 holders on both sides. Wow. Okay. It's a little cool lever, pulls up that way. and closes. Clever. Nice. These windows are made of, seems like really hard plastic. It's not glass, but it's not really soft either. Nice. Sling.